Hi, this is John again. So today we are at day number 17 of this QMDJ 6-month apprentice program under this Master Douglas Chan. So today onwards, we are going to focus on destiny reading. Destiny reading means you're going to use the person's date of birth to actually read the person's hidden character and also the relationship with his career, wealth, health, and relationship. We can see actually what will happen to the person in the coming years by just looking at the achievement chart. And we can see the potential problem and we can plan ahead to maximize the potential and minimize the problem. So the focus point is actually on the day stamp of the person. And for achievement chart, there are two day stamp. One is actually on the upper and the lower. The lower one which is actually the person's age from 0 to 30 to 40 years old. So the upper one is actually above 30 to 40 years old and also beyond. So we also look at the concept of emptiness. When there's emptiness in the person's chart, that means he got actually three sets of characters. And if there are two emptiness, there are actually there are four sets of characters. And there's another concept called the horse, which actually shows the active person. Okay, he prefer movement, doesn't like to stay alone. And there's a Fu Yin concept, which shows a person who is very active, and Fan Yin, a person who is actually fickle-minded and changes very quickly. So there are actually three case studies. But this case studies is actually quite straightforward because you just show us how to read a destiny chart just using the person's day stamp. So this is an example. And there's a second case study, also quite straightforward. Okay. There's also a third case study. I think Master Douglas spent some time here, but it's actually not so difficult because this is only the first video. So thank you.